Okay guys, so I think last phone number which I took, because now I'm going to relax, and I'm very choosy, I want just to approach girls who I can seduce on the first date. I don't want to approach girls which I will need to date 5 dates and then show them that they can get laid with me. No, I want to approach a girl and fuck her on the first date or even same day. So totally now is 8 p.m. I had been 2 times outside and I got 2 or 3 numbers, I don't remember, but those girls are that kind of girls which I can seduce on the first date. I mean, I can fuck them on the first date. So this one last girl is was in a bus back to apartment, and I was I went through the city, I met several of my clients, and I didn't see I just saw one girl. She was with female friend, she was foreigner, I think from I don't know, maybe Spain, and but I didn't approach her because the distance was too long. So I kind of went to bus stop. I was tired, I was thinking about to eat something, and I was a little bit there was no target, nothing. But that girl, the bus came, and I went to front, and when I looked back, I checked a bus, and I kind of saw her. I sat down close to her, next to her, and she I see she's very regular, not very beautiful. I have seduced a total 10, and in the United States, amazing blondes, total 10. I'm very selective, you can. So she's not very beautiful, but I said, okay, I will open here. I open it here. I start talking to her, and I see she's quite sexy the way she talks, and she remembers me one Russian girl which I dated maybe 15 dates, and I recorded all those dates which I have on Alphamantraining system to train you, and she remembered me, and I said okay, let's take her contact. So I used several Alphamantraining techniques, made her interested, seduced it, and I took her number. So she wanted that I would stay longer, maybe more bus stops, but I didn't. I took her number, and I'm gonna text her next week because she's very busy. She will work fully this week, so we're gonna meet next week, and I'm gonna hear bang on the first day. Amazing guys. See how your life gonna change if you will step forward and will invest Alphamantraining. You will not afraid. You're gonna afraid nothing, and you're gonna be social ninja, normal. You will walk through the street, will call read girls, will choose that girl to approach. And look, I approached it today 3 girls, and I got 3 numbers. So see, the success will depend on you. You gonna this is funny thing, guys, speakers outside of a car. So you gonna be fully the success of getting numbers be up to you fully, because you will reach that level. Those levels are below video. Check those levels, who you will become. Invest, make video call with us, then we will unlock your products, and start, because you're getting older and older. You're losing opportunity, amazing opportunities to meet most beautiful girls in city center. They are so sexy, short shorts, amazing legs, asses waiting you, new numbers, new connections, new language. You will learn new language, you will learn new culture, you will renew, you will become new, you know, you will refresh yourself. So thanks for watching.